Make the ground shake.
Feel the tick tock, tick tock when I'm staring at my wristwatch, wristwatch. I wonder where the time go, time go. I'm carrying a time bomb, time bomb. I don't want it to blow, I don't want it to blow. Where do you go at the end of the road? I don't want it to blow. My time is ticking and I'm up against the ropes. Time to swallow my pride, working hard to never choke. Cause my eyes are on the prize, but my pocket's still on broke. And I'm about to lose the single thing in life I wanted most. So I go hard, out of my way I bogart. Failure ain't on my sonar, you tripping homie like Goyard. Driven by myself, don't gas me up, I ain't no go-kart. Cause I'm a jack of all trades, ain't no joke homie, those joke cars. Past that, I pass that, these obstacles you crash at. More weight, need more weight, I'm picking up where you lack at. On the road to success, there ain't no fair road and no cab back. But I'll be fine with that one way, no round trip, I'm past that. The clock is tick-tocking, and it ain't ever stopping. They ain't focused, not at all. They ain't moving, they be watching, so I'm out here doing work. Then I get the party popping, cause with every minute wasting, know my chances steady dropping. Feel the tick-tock, tick-tock, when I'm staring at my wristwatch, wristwatch. I wonder